All right, I'm gonna walk you through how I would measure a chimney cap. Obviously, this is a cap. We have a hole for the flue that comes out. So for me to get the measurements, I need to do length and width, and then I need to measure to the end of the hole on at least 3 sides. The 4th side, we can do simple math, but if you can get the 4th side, do the simple math. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace out an actual image of the chimney pan. So I know right now I need this measurement and this measurement. So I'm gonna take my tape measure and I'm gonna do everything in inches. I'm never gonna measure in feet. I'm gonna measure everything in inches. So I take the corner of this to the corner of this, and I can see this is 35 1/4, but I need to check to make sure this side, because a chimney cap doesn't need to fit perfectly flush. This side over here is 35 1/4. So that means my first measurement that I'm gonna write down is 35 1/4. Then I'm gonna take my length and I'm gonna check. This is 68 1/4 here. This measurement is 68 1/2. So I'm gonna take the larger of the two, because again, it doesn't have to sit flush on the siding. A bigger cap is better. So I'm gonna put 68 1/2 measurement. On occasion, there's a rain collar on this section. What you're trying to do is get to the actual hole. So you either have to lift up the rain collar and slide your tape measure in to that hole. The first measurement I'm gonna take is from this to the hole. I'm gonna measure that, 27 inches. So this hole is 27 inches here. This hole here, you can see 10 1/2. This other side, same, 10 1/2. This hole here is 27. So I have 27, 27, 10 1/2, 10 1/2, which would mean that this chimney hole for the flue, 27 plus 27 is 54. So that means it's 14-inch flue. The next most important part is the actual turn down measurement. So the turn down is how much the chimney cap goes to cover the corner board. So in this case, I'm going to make it a 5-inch turn down, and that will cover any potential area of leaking. So I'm going to write down TD equals 5 inch. And that's how you measure a chimney cap.